Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008 Active. This car comes with a really nice specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, dual zone climate control, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone and cruise control with a speed limiter, as well as rear parking aids. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.